Teachers, students' reading goals are due into the library by February 9th. There will be assistance provided in the library after the faculty meeting February 1st for those that need assistance setting the differentiated reading goals. Pre-K and kinder have the goal of bringing their parents to the library twice this semester to check out books. The library will be closed February 9th through the 14th. Please plan ahead and let me know of any material needs you may have beforehand. There will be a sign-up schedule for the dates of February 15th and 16th. Pre-K through second grade teachers will not be assigned a class that week, but rather may view the library calendar on Outlook and email a time they would like to visit for a read aloud and checkout, or just a checkout. Please be aware that because we need to fit 14 classes into 2 days, classes will be combined, and that you are welcome to just come for a checkout if that works best for you. Thanks for understanding and patience in the matter. Also, teachers, I have been requested to help Ms. Trejo with TELPA, STAR, and ALT-STAR testing. This will require, at times, schedule changes as well as library closings. My apologies for any inconvenience this may cause. Let me know how I may best help you during this time. Thanks so much.
Students, good work so far in your science fair projects. You are getting closer to being complete. Currently, you should be done with a material list and detailed procedures list. Keep your working towards completing your science fair projects. Congratulations to all of you that made last semester's reading goals. With an accomplishment, we had a fun time celebrating at the reading celebration last December. It's a new year, and that means new goals. Read, 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 and read some more to make your goals so you may attend the reading celebration in May. To make your reading goal, you need to know your reading levels. Check with your teacher about your level and check out books on your level so you may make your goal quicker. The film festival is coming up, and we want Rivera to take the home gold. All film festival submissions are due into the library by April 2nd. You may work on films in class under your teacher's directions or at home with parent help. See Mrs. Coronado for details.